This is a section of broken concrete that needs to be repaired, and we're going to make the repair just the same as we did on asphalt. We're going to first sweep the area, and then we're going to dump the product out, and you'll see how easy this method of application is. And when we get done, we're going to make this repaired area look exactly like concrete. Remember, in cold weather, instant road repair works a lot better if it is warm. So bring the product inside, warm it up a little bit before you take it outside, and you'll see how truly easy the product works. Notice how easy the product conforms to the shape of the repaired area. There's no staining, there's no tracking. This is what makes instant road repair such a preferred patching material. And it is permanent. We guarantee it to be so. When we get done spreading this material, we're going to sweep up the loose material around the edges. And then we're going to thoroughly compact this material using the vehicle. Again, you can compact it with a plate compactor, the backside of a shovel, a vibratory plate compactor, or a roller. This area that we repaired had an average depth of 1 inch, but there were some sections in here that were only 5/8 of an inch. Instant road repair will still stay permanently in this area. Again, notice there is no tracking of instant road repair onto the surrounding area. It stays permanently right where it was placed. Once this product is thoroughly compacted, then you might want to make it look like concrete. And we're going to show you how to do this so easily. And again, this doesn't have to be done right this minute, but you can if you want to make it look like concrete. Here's all you need to do. A bag of Portland cement, some water, and a broom. We're going to wet the area, and what we're going to end up doing is making a slurry with the Portland cement. We're actually just going to paint instant road repair. Instant road repair has a neutral pH. There's no leaching of any chemicals. It's totally non-hazardous, non-flammable, and it's non-staining. Sprinkling the Portland cement on top, we're going to take a broom and we're going to wet it. We're going to start making a slurry, and we're actually going to paint this repair area. The time that you spend doing this is well worth the effort, because when you're finished, you're going to have an area that is permanently bonded to your concrete, an area that will look like concrete when you're done. If you want to create a swirl pattern in the concrete to match the existing texture, so easily done. Take the edge of the broom and create the pattern that you need to make. And in about 45 minutes in the summertime, the product starts to hydrate. The cement is hydrating and drying up, as you can see from this shot right now. We've already started to dry the edges. It's usually ready 45 minutes to an hour to be driven on. Now you've made an asphalt patch look like concrete.